Hello my dear friends, my name is Rizwan Khan and my YouTube channel name is R Language School. You have seen my previous video where I have taught rules of singular, plural and articles, but here now I'm going to teach you some basic phrases for greetings in Spanish. So you have to watch this video till the end, and you can also download my application where you can join my online Spanish classes, and also you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So guys, let's start. ¿Cómo es mi español? Muy bueno, perfecto. 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 First, how can you say hello in Spanish? Hello in Spanish is hola. Hola. Of course, there is H-O-L-A, but in Spanish, H is always silent. So there is no sound of H. Then what is the spelling? O-L-A. Hola. Hola. And then good morning. There are two ways of saying good morning. Buenos días. First is buenos días. Buenos días. And second is buen día. Buen día. Buen día. Both are same. Second, good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. And good night. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Evening and afternoon we can use for that buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Then welcome. There are two kind of welcome. Welcome after thank you is different, and welcome for like you are welcoming your guest. So I am going to teach you welcoming your guest. How can you say? Bienvenido. Yes, V sounds like B in Spanish. So when any boy is coming in your house, your friend, male, then you can say bienvenido. And when is a female, bienvenida. Bienvenida. And when both together will come, then you can say bienvenidos. 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 And only girls will come, then you can say bienvenidas. Bienvenidas. Okay? And then WhatsApp. How can you say? How's going on? Or WhatsApp, how's going on? You can say ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Then how can you say ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás means how are you? When is formal, you can say ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? When informal, ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? And reply, I'm very well. Muy bien. Muy bien. Or you can say, I am fine. Estoy bien. Estoy bien. Estoy bien. And next, nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. And then, see you soon. Hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. And then bye. Bye. You can say adios. Adios. Or you can say ciao. Ciao. Adios. Or you can say ciao. Adios or ciao. And then how can you say sorry? Sorry. Lo siento. Lo siento. Lo siento. And thank you. Gracias. 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 And how can you say thank you so much? Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand these greetings. And in next video, I will teach you some basic dialogues also. So if you like this video, and you have watched carefully, then let me know how to say in Spanish good morning, and how to say bye and nice to meet you. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to download my application and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. See you soon in the next video. Hasta pronto. Adios.